This video will show you how the feature and function of the CD2100, how to operate them, and all this feature and function of the unit. Look on the screen here. This unit is a touchscreen unit. You can touch and they give you a multiple mode. You have a count mode, single mode, mix 2, denom, and the serial number. Serial number is an option. When you order the unit, let us know if you require the serial number or not. Okay, so you just touch screen, it will tell you which mode you're in. If you hit the serial number, it will give you serial number. Okay, now when you select the mix mode, and also here we give you another option. You can, while you count mix, you also able to do this facing or both. Facing orientation, either or. Okay, facing or orientation or both. So when you select them, make sure you hit start to save it. When you do that, you see the mix right now. Let me zoom in. Now see, the mix will give you an F and O right there. It give you an option. When you do process and mix, it'll give you facing orientation at the same time. Now if you don't want it, you can take this off. You select it, save it. It'll give you mix only. Okay. Same thing on the single mode. When you hit the single mode, you can do facing. Okay. When you shorten the single, you will make sure you all use sort of face it. Anything different face, it will go to reject pocket. Okay. You can do both. Now you can do single, face, F and O. For doing both. You don't want it, you take them off and you start to save. Okay. Now in here you see the add accumulation. You can turn them on or you can turn them off. Turn them on or off. Now on the same thing as the counterfeit detection, you turn them off or you can turn them on. Okay. Now the level here, you select this detection level. You have UV, MG, and density. Right now you put on 3 and you want the degree or increase. You can select them. You can change it, the level. Okay. A UV, MG, and density level. Okay. Print give you, if you connect to the printer, you can go set print. Reject, if any reject anything in the reject, it hit the reject. It will display what kind of issues you're having. Now for the batching, now this unit give you an option. I give you a batch by piece count or by value. Okay, now if you do 100 pieces, I can do a 25. Okay. Okay, and I give you 25. Now I can do preset. I'll show you. Now batch. If I can select the preset by denomination, you go preset. Now each denomination, okay, I can change. Wow, for $20, I can give 50 pieces. Okay, so I can preset the denomination, preset per denomination. Okay, so I can give 50 on $2 bill. Okay, save it. Or you can do 100 total. Okay. Now another thing is a value. Now I can preset by the value. So if I want to count $125, so I can tell the unit to count $125 and stop $125. This feature can be used for dispensing in case the cash recycler or cash dispenser having a problem. So you can use this machine to dispense in cash. So instead of count, you can put a second the bill to go dispensing, or you can verify. Okay. So this is a value count. You can use a value, or you can use pieces. Okay. Now, since the touchscreen, when you count, I'll give you the mode. I'm going to do this mix right here. Now I'm going to count the money. Okay. So I give me right here. I give me 100. No reject. It give me 67 pieces and 305. Now, if I want to do the detail screen, I can touch the screen and give me a breakdown, a detail. Okay. When I'm done, I touch the screen again. It go back to a summary. Okay. So if you can have options, you can do detail or some just a short summary of the count. Okay. Very simple. You know, here you can do count. This is strictly count. Denom. You can select what denomination you want to count. Okay, $1 or $2. When selected $2, see here. Denom. I can select $100. It tells me it's $100. These. That's just strictly a preset denomination. If you want to do single, I mean it's auto detect. The first note, it will give you a first count. Okay. Any question? Feel free to let me know.